I'm Mary Beck, Bernina educator at Bernina of America, and I'm excited to share with you the Bernette77 sewing machine. This attractively priced sewing machine is perfect for any project. Let's take a closer look. The Bernette77 has a 7mm stitch width, a total of 500 practical stitches and decorative stitches, including 3 alphabets, a maximum sewing speed of 1,000 stitches per minute, and 9 inches of sewing space to the right of the needle. The drop-in bobbin is easy to insert, and you can clearly see how much thread you have when you start sewing. The centrally located 5-inch color touchscreen is convenient and easy to use. From the screen, you can select stitches, alter them, and even combine them to make fun motifs. I'm going to combine a heart and a star. This would be a fun border design. If you want a certain number of repeats, you can set that here. Press on the foot control and the foot lowers and you are ready to sew. To make sure you don't end in the middle of the design, select the program securing icon while you are sewing. The machine will stitch to the end of the motif and then secure. Touch the scissors button and the threads are cut and the foot is raised. The Bernette dual feed has really improved my sewing accuracy. Whether I'm working with quilting cotton or stretchy fabrics, I can count on the dual feed to provide an even and careful forward feed. I don't worry about sewing with stripes or checkered patterns anymore either, because I have the dual feed. Has it ever happened to you that you've been happily sewing along, and then you realize that you have been out of bobbin thread the whole time? So frustrating. Not anymore. The Bernette77 has thread sensors for both the needle and bobbin threads. When it detects that there is no thread, the machine will stop and even put a message on the screen to tell you why it stopped. The Bernette77 also has a sensor to detect which stitch plate you have. This will keep you from doing things like trying to stitch a zigzag stitch with a straight stitch plate on. The Bernette foot control does more than just make the machine go. If I need to turn a corner, I can press on the back kick to plant the needle in the fabric. I keep my hands on the fabric and use the Bernette freehand system to raise the presser foot so that I can turn the corner. And now I can keep on sewing. If I don't want to use the freehand system, I can set the machine to hover the foot to turn the corner. It's all up to me and what I prefer. Another neat thing about the Bernette foot control is that I can program it. I can set it so that when I press the back kick, I can secure stitches, cut my thread, and raise the foot, or any combination of these without ever taking my hands off of the fabric. It's all up to me and what I want the machine to do. I hope you've been inspired by the endless creative possibilities of the Bernette77 as much as I have. Let's get sewing!